City lights reflecting on the rain tonight. Empty avenues glowing blue and white. Your shadow moving slowly through my mind, like a late train fading into the night. Engines humming underneath the neon sky. Windows open while the summer passes by. Every moment feels suspended in the air, like the world stopped turning somewhere out there. And I keep chasing echoes in the dark, trying to find where we are in this earth.